Tigit ka aktibo, pwerte ka dynamic, kag very results-oriented na mayor sang City of Iloilo, no less than Mayor Raisa Trenyas. Ginakulbaan kami na permi kada ipatawag ya kami. Of course, ang aton nga mabuot, no, kag pasalamat kid kami nga ari ka diri subong, our Vice Mayor, Labla Baronda, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Metro Pacific Water, nga ari gid diri subong, just to show how serious they are with their commitments to us, so that we will have enough water by 2028 and 2029, no less than Mr. Christopher Andro Pangilinan, sir. Let's give him a round of applause, please. The chairman of MIWD, no, who's been very supportive of all of our initiatives, Ma'am Rebecca Maravilla, the gorgeous lady. She's been a partner in crime during the last 30 years in government. She's with PCSO, I was with Land Bank, my BFF, Director Janet Lloyd. Unahon ko ni, siya utod ko from another mother, no less than Councilor and Brother Johnny Yang. Ang migo ko nga permi kung kisa ginapalagtikan niya ko sa radyo, no less than Councilor Duron. Of course, a very good friend and a colleague, no, in the Boy Scout movements, no less than Councilor Ganson. The other, siyempre ang nanay sa barangay, hindi tagit niya pagkalimtan, no? Kay siya di ang hari sa barangay, basta hindi ta diri kasulod. Kapitan Ronela Juanesa. The other heads of offices present, the regional directors and the division managers, sirs, welcome. The councilors present, the other officers of various government agencies. Good morning to all. You know, I was supposed to be practicing a very formal speech. Galing I would want to put my emotions into this, kaya emotional ako kung kisa every time I see ang kakulangan sa tubig diri sa City of Iloilo. And today, actually, is a beautiful, I call it a beautiful and historic milestone for Barangay San Isidro Haro, because we are not just digging into the earth today. Beautiful kakatahom because this groundbreaking activity, kung si Mayor pa, will lead towards a healthier, brighter, and a more progressive future for our community that will start here in our barangay itself. For a long time, the dream, no, of having a reliable and clean water has been a top priority of our beloved former mayor and my kuyang, take note, Jerry Trenyas. And eventually, ginsubli sang iya bata, si Mayor Raisa Trenyas. Hence, this is a non-negotiable priority of Metro Iloilo Water District and its joint venture partners, the Metro Pacific Iloilo Water, and of course, our bulk water service provider, the Metro Iloilo Bulk Water Service Corporation. Today, the dream takes its physical shape, na Mayor, we see na for ourselves. In my stint here, 2-year stint pa lang sa Iloilo, you saw ang kadamo-damo nga kinutkutanay all over the place nga kung kisang kigan ko ni Councilor Doron. Kag ni Nene Diliana, provide siya subong. Okay? So this water expansion project has already been taking physical shape. This is a direct investment, kung si Mayor pa, towards health, dignity, and the daily well-being, and above all, to have empathy with our constituents na gusto maligo, hindi makapaligo. Take note that this is just one, Mayor, of the 49 other projects that our partners had lined up for 2026 with a total allocation of 2.1 billion. Why? because water is everything. Water is life. When this project is completed, it will bring directly mga around to 6,700 individuals in the Usbag complex alone, and an additional group of 960 individuals in the NHA relocation sites within sa area, right here in San Isidro. That means that soon, a total of almost 8,000 neighbors, parents, children will no longer have to worry about the safety and reliability of their drinking water. And we have to give our thanks to Sir Andrew Pangilinan for approving all of these 49 projects to a tune of 2.1 billion. So can we give him a round of applause, please? Further, ang project nga is not just about laying down pipes. Hindi lang na siya muna. It also expands our capabilities, strengthens our local infrastructures, and above all, ensures that no household is left behind as Haro continue to grow. Therefore, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to everyone, especially to Mayor Raisa, and of course to our Vice Mayor, pero kay Mayor Raisa agad, who worked tirelessly to keep all of us, MIWD and MPIW, Sir Andrew, to keep us on our toes, no? Ginakibang kami kada magpatawag si Mayor sa meeting. So our gratitude goes to our Mayor and to Sir Andrew for all of this. Also, allow me to commend the dedication of MPIW that has brought us to this groundbreaking activity today. Without sa nga muna ang dedication, hindi na ko yung manghambal, 2 years pa lang po di pakita nyo ang kutkutanay all over the city, all over the world. Okay? This would not have been possible without the dedication of the MPIW team. And finally, to the residents of San Isidro Haro, pasensyahan nyo lang kami. Please continue to extend your patience because it is not an easy thing nga magkalkal. Okay ang magbutang kuryente sa babaw, pero magkalkal hindi madali. So thank you for your patience. Thank you for your continued trust and confidence, and be assured that our partners and MIWD will always have you in our hearts. Kaya kung hindi pa ni matabo, by 2028 and 2029, manago na ko sa dalom lamisa ko o mangita na ko iban nga obra. So let this be a sign of many more great things to come for our barangay San Isidro, and above all, to the city of Iloilo. Thank you very much. The best is yet to come. May our good Lord bless us all.